Let's get into the 11th model of the series. We're gonna come back to the revolve action. We had one model before that used the revolve operation. Now we're gonna do it again. Which is our plane. And we will use the profile tool. Going to the left. Oops. Something like that. There it is, roughly. So now we can add our dimensions. We got 26. Exit out of the operation of the escape. 26, 40. 48. Here we have 5. Here we have 11 and 17 at last. Now here we have 27. The big one, 33. Here we have 8. And lastly we have here 24. And our sketch is fully defined. We can press finish. Now we can do the revolve operation. We select our curve that we drew. We can specify the vector. We want to do around the Z and X axis, a little 360 action. So we gotta choose the Y axis here as a vector. It doesn't matter if this one or this one. And the point, the beginning of the coordinate system. At last we gotta add our edge blends. We got 3 of them. So we choose the edge blend operation. We got one here, and one here. All the value of 3. We apply. We can hide our datum and sketch. And now that they're added, the model is finished.